Okay, it's a bit of a shame to leave it now while we're on a bit of a roll. We'll look at this. This is a different type of British fuse. High explosive or shrapnel shell, but high explosive fuse in this particular case. I think it's either, you can't see, it will have it stamped on it. It's either a number 100, 101 or 102, 103, we don't know. I'm guessing it's probably a 100. Interestingly, I mean, this has been fired, obviously it's got some nasty gouges out of it. Interestingly, it's got a piece of flint embedded in it just there. Now, I don't know what's going to happen when I put this on the wheel. That might fly off, who knows. It'd be nice if it actually stayed in there. You know, it's a good example of how these were found. But I'm going to give it a go on the grinder, on the wheel anyway. Right, all prepared. Well, that's an improvement already. Need a bit more work on it. Just trying to see if I can see around the edge exactly what fuse it is, and I can't make that out yet. Looks like there's something there. I need to do a bit more work on this. So I'm going to put this now. I think we've done this as much as I can do on the wire wheel. So we're going to just see if we can clean it up a little bit more on the polisher. Still got that little bit of flint in there. Final polishing there. here we are. That's a nice display example there. We have got some markings on. There's a V on it there. I think that says 2G, and just here, there you go, you've got the British broad arrow, say it belongs to the British government. There's just a couple of markings under there that says 177, not quite sure what that means. Right here above my thumb, you probably can't see it, but it looks like AM. It might say 1917 under it. That would be the manufacturer, but it's nice still to have that chunk in there. I'm not actually quite sure. I thought it was flint. Quite honest, it looks like metal now. Who knows? But anyway, we've got a very nice number 101, slightly battle damaged British fuse.